Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Lowe's. We're looking at the 4th of July deals. I know I was going to post this yesterday, but it got a little too late, and now I'm posting it today, Sunday. Anyways, we got some deals. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell if you guys want to help out the channel so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers. All right, let's go ahead and get started. We got the Greenworks for $79. That's a really good deal. Does include a lot of accessories. It does include the foam cannon there, or the soap dispenser. I don't know if it's a true foam cannon, but if it is, it's a great deal. You got the mower there, the 80-volt mower for $449. It's on sale. I believe that is tool only. But then again, you got the Greenworks. I don't know if it's the battery operated. Let me know in the comments. Because I tried reading it, and it seems like both of them say the same thing, but I think one of them's without the battery, one of them's tool only. They did have the Greenworks for $449, so definitely recommend the Greenworks. I know the Greenworks does include a battery. And then they got the 40 volt for $349. And then they had the 40 volt for $129, and then the 80 volt for $169 on the string trimmers. So they got those on sale. Then $19.98. It's basically like a DIY kit. Stud finder and a level, so you can maybe hang a TV. Then you got some nice ice chests here, some coolers for $129. A little pricey though, to tell us the truth, for the size. Maybe it is like a Yeti, like a Yeti brand. Who knows? And then got some more Craftsman here. $12. $16.98 for the screwdrivers. And then you got a $44.98 with a big set there, and $249 mechanic set at the bottom. And then they got this one on sale, $59 for a 51 piece. It's not a bad deal. And then they got this on sale for this section on sale. So they got the blower and the string trimmer for $129, and they got those batteries for $79. 2 batteries for $79. But yeah, they got the string trimmer and the blower. So if you're a DIY, definitely recommend it. And they did lower it to $99, so it's not $129, it's $99. And then again, you got the tool holder at the bottom. You got some other tool accessories there. So if you guys need them, pick them up, because sometimes they don't have them in the stores. Not all the stores carry them. And they had this deal, $19.98, which is different because I never seen this before. You get some nice grips on these pliers and screwdrivers. So it looks really like a really nice set. It is like a zipper, like a, you zip it together. Really small toolkit there for the DIY. Got some Sawhorses here, Craftsman 1998. And most of these are plastic, so they got these boxes on sale. Some of these are in clearance, so you just have to look at the clearance. $19.98 for the Craftsman. It's not, I believe it's not the Versus stack, but it's like an organizer. These are the Versus stacks here. So all these are the Versus stacks. And then they had the toolbox for $49.98, which is not a bad deal. You're getting a old-fashioned metal toolbox with some drawers. Then they had these from last year, if you guys remember. $14.98, which is a good price. I do still have it from last year. And then they had that one at the bottom too from last year. Then they got the Made in the USA tape measures. And then they got the Cobalt XTR. Definitely some nice tools here from XTR, professional level tools. If you guys don't know, seen any reviews out there, but yeah, they are professional level tools, competing with the big boys there. Then you got some sales there for $12.98, some kits. You got a fastback there, knife, not a bad deal. And you got some more Craftsman over here. And then these torque wrenches, really nice torque wrenches. Little pricey those, tell you guys the truth, a little bit. For that price, I would might as well just get like a digital torque wrench, or a different brand. So you got the DeWalt section here. You got a few sales. The yellow tags are the sales, the cheaper. So $149 for that tool, and then $119 for the. You got the $79 battery and charger. But that's what used to be, I believe that's what used to be free when you buy a tool. So they got those left over. And then they got the table saw for $3.99. It does include a base, like a foldable base. So that is a good deal on that one. So I would definitely recommend that one if you guys find it, because it does come with the base. So it's a compact job site table saw. And then they got these tool kits. No prices on this side. I believe the prices were on the other side. But it's weird how they have the paper where you just grab the paper and take it to the cashier, and they'll find it for you. So you got 2 blades there for $39.98. And same thing with that one. It's out of stock. So $5.49, I guess, for the deal there. And then you got the spider. And some more Craftsman deals here. So $169 for the bottom, the Versa stack. And then you got some big kits there. You guys, you definitely, if you guys are DIYs, definitely recommend these kits for you guys. On some of these kits are brushless. Not these, but there's some other kits that are brushless. Definitely recommend those too. Those are the brushless tools. They look really nice. I never paid attention to these brushless tools, but yeah, you get a nice tool there. $19.98. You got some more kits there. $10 for that one. And then yeah, I guess they do have the prices on this side. So 4 batteries for $179, 2 batteries for $129, and then 2 small batteries for $79. So it just depends on whatever you want to get. They're kind of pricey at that range. I would just definitely get the buy one get one free when it comes out. They're gonna start rolling out in a few months. They'll do another sale, you know, the winter sale or whatnot. So just wait for that sale, so you guys can get more batteries on DeWalt. And yeah, they did had a lot of cobalt. I always like to look for those yellow tags, see if I see anything. That's the new fan. It's marked at 119. I know they lowered it down to 80. I believe 79. So it just depends on your lobes too. But I believe online it's 89 or 79. And then they got some more. Yeah. Well, that's it for today. Just a short video. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell if you want to help with the channel. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.